Hi! That was a weird hi. I bought more makeup. Alright, I've accumulated a lot of e.l.f. makeup and we're going to be testing it all today. So it's a lot of new stuff and some stuff that's from like December, but I've arrived now. I've now joined with all the new stuff. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. We're doing this whole makeup look. Pretty much all of it is e.l.f. There's just a few stuff that I don't have from e.l.f. So it's the first impressions. I literally haven't tried most of this stuff out. There's maybe like one or two things that I've tried before. Most of it's all new to me. So I'm gonna let you know what I think of everything. We're gonna do this nice little eye look with some blue liner and we're just gonna have a great time as always. If you just wanna see me test all this, do this makeup look, then subscribe if you want. You don't have to, it's okay. I'll allow it for today. And yeah, we'll get testing all the stuff now. Okay, I was actually gonna make a coffee and then I'm still too lazy to kind of, I still haven't tended to Demelza. She's still been abandoned. I haven't switched her on yet or cleaned it out or anything, so just maybe for the next video we'll have a coffee and return back to normal. Okay, so I'm just gonna get started. I have a giant basket of stuff from e.l.f. and we're just gonna be testing everything because all of this is pretty much new to me. I've just got another of the bite-sized eyeshadow palettes, which I love. I know how good these are, but I just got one of the palettes that I don't have and I like the colours in there, so we're going to do something with that. And we've got a lot of their new kind of like mint kind of range, just new stuff that I haven't tried before, so let's just slap it all on my face. Okay, so I was also the biggest idiot and I placed an order off the e.l.f.'s actual website, and at the same time I also placed an order on the Superdrug website, and for some reason I ordered e.l.f. things from Superdrug too. So me being me and not checking things, I now have 2 of the Mint Melt cooling face primers because I ordered one from Superdrug and one from e.l.f. 2 of the microfine setting mist. I guess I could just give it to a friend or something because I just here chilling now, so that's my fault for not checking what I was ordering. So let's start off with that face primer though. So I love the packaging of this, honestly. Oh, it's like a jelly kind of thing, so it looks like that. It kind of reminds me of the Milk Hydro Grip. That's what that kind of looks like when you take that out. Oh, that's like really sticky. It does really smell like mint though, let me tell you. Oh, I've obviously done my skincare. I just had to kind of let it sit on my face for a bit because I don't know what's been happening. I think I've had like an allergic reaction to something. Don't know if it's something I've eaten. I have no idea, but like my face is really red and I've got a lot of texture at the moment. So probably not the best time to be trying new makeup out, but what are you gonna do? Okay, this is really sticky, but it's not like sticky in the sense of it's not kind of like blending out into the skin, which is good. I get why it's called the melt because it is kind of melting. I see what they did there. It does smell like mint as well, so if you don't like mint you won't like it. I do, so I'm that person who like Aero chocolate, like the peppermint one is like my favorite chocolate ever. I'm that person. Wait, it's gone really tacky and I feel like I've got like a nice little glow on the skin as well. That's really nice. It really does remind me of the Milk makeup, which is actually one of my favorite primers. This is like so expensive as well, so like obviously I'll test it a few times, but this could be like an affordable option to the Milk Hydro Grip. Like it looks kind of the same. This is expensive, so what I'm really excited for is this. Alright, so this is the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream. This has been out I think since like December or something, but obviously I have not got it until now. So I got the shade Light 240. Yeah, I got light. So yeah, it says it's a colour correcting full coverage natural finish. I'm excited, so let's try this. I've also got, and this isn't e.l.f. and it's not affordable, so sorry, but like I got the Fenty face brush because I don't know why, I just wanted to get it. So it's new, so we're gonna use this to blend it out. I'm gonna put it onto like the back of my hand. The colour looks very light, but it probably will be okay for me. Okay, let's try this. Let's see how this goes. I don't know how the finish is supposed to be, whether it's supposed to be like dewy or if it's supposed to be like matte or anything. I'm not sure. Probably should have checked that before, shouldn't I? Okay, so I mean, it's blending out really nicely, like really easily. That does look really natural, to be fair. I feel like it's kind of making me a bit look a bit corpsey. It might be a tiny bit too light. The finish, however, looks really good. Apparently, like, you can use it as like a concealer. I swear I saw someone use it as a concealer, so should we use it as a bit of concealer as well? I could be mistaken. I could be like very wrong here. I love how this looks on the skin, minus the texture that you can't actually see on camera, so we're gonna stay this distance. This is like really good. I hope this like wears well throughout the day. But like I said, I don't really have a new concealer. I don't know. I have this though, and it looks very pink. They didn't have many shades left, but this is the Flawless Brightening Concealer from e.l.f. Illuminating color corrector. It's like a clicky kind of, it's like that YSL, like, you know, the YSL clicky pen thing that like everybody used to have. This may be too dark. It's very pink. Wait, are you supposed to put this underneath your makeup? I feel like you are. Oh. Yeah, maybe under concealer. Okay, I'm gonna try it like here for like my dark circles. Okay, that is like very, very dewy. Also, don't know if it did anything, but if it's a color corrector, isn't it? It's not a concealer, so am I supposed to put my concealer over top? So let me get a concealer. I would use my e.l.f. one, like I've got the Hydrating Camo Concealer, but the shade is too dark for me at the moment because we're very, very light right now. I'm just gonna use the Kimchi concealer, just like a tiny bit of it though. So, I don't know if that did anything. Did it color correct? Who knows? We'll do blush and then we'll go onto the eyes. So, in my last video, I used one of the putty blushes and they have a bunch of different shades, but I obviously just got the two that I think I'd wear. So I think, like I said in that video, they don't have the names on them, either that or mine just don't. Because they usually have stickers on them like this, for example, like on the powder it has a little sticker with the shade on, so maybe I just got two that just didn't have them on. But I'm pretty sure this darker pink one is called Tahiti, and I'm pretty sure this one that I'm going to use today is Turks Caicos. So I used that one in that video, so I really like that. I really like the formula. So I'm excited to try this one out. Is this bad that I dipped my brush in there? Should I like scoop it out? Is that more sanitary? I feel like this is a bit gross doing this. That's really nice. Nice and springy. They're the vibes we want. Okay, so one of my literal favourite setting powder from the drugstore is the e.l.f. Halo Glow setting powder. And the one that I have in the shade medium, so you can see the difference. So this is, wait, is it? Yeah, this is medium, and then I got the light / clear, so I'm guessing it's like translucent. So I got this one recently, so you can just see the shade difference. This is usually fine for me, but just because it's got a bit of a tint to it, and like I've said a million times, I'm like really fair right now. So I got the translucent one. Well, I'm assuming it's translucent. It says light, but it also says clear. So I've got a No Budge eyeshadow stick in the shade Champagne Crystal, which is this one. I did use this one in my last video, didn't I? The Melt With Me one. This is really nice. I like the fact that it's a stick and it just seems very easy. This is the shade. Let me just, oh, that looks so nice. You're not gonna be able to see in the lighting, are you? No. It's very, very, oh, actually, kind of. Right there. So I'm gonna use this. And this is the other bite-sized eyeshadow palette that I never bought. It's the Carnival candy one. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with this yet, but I'm just gonna speed through it and then We'll see what I can come up with. Alright. And I'm probably going to put Ugly Betty on. Actually, no, because that's going to distract me and then I'm going to be here forever. We'll put some music on. Okay, see you in a minute. Ah! This is my song. If you haven't sang this song after a breakup, you're missing out. When you sleep next to me. Why is my throwback playlist the best thing ever? I'm like really impressed because my hands were shaking so bad. But I did it. We did some winged, why have I just zoomed out? But you can see it. So what I did was the blue, like shimmery eyeshadow from the palette, kind of destroyed it. I just scraped it out on the back of a candle holder, because why not? And then I used the best product for doing this. Literally turning any eyeshadow into a liquid liner. Inglot Duraline in there, mixed it all up. Used a little liner brush and we now have blue winged eyeliner. I think I'm gonna go make a coffee after this. I'll have a coffee for the next video. We have a new mascara from e.l.f. to try. Okay, so this is the Lash It Out. No, not Lash It Out. We're not lashing anything out. It's the Lash It Loud. That's it. Volumizing Mascara in black. That's some weird packaging, but okay. Alright, let's test this out. Oh, I don't like the brush. It looks like a really plasticky. This isn't my first e.l.f. mascara I'm ever trying, by the way. Never used any of theirs before, so please be good. We've had a good video today. Has that done it? Can you see? I mean, it's lengthened more than volumized. Like, I don't know. I'm 50-50 at the moment with this mascara because I don't know. The formula seems nice, but it hasn't given me much volume. It's just kind of lengthened a little bit, so it's not my favorite because for me, I've already got long eyelashes, so I just want volume. It does claim to be a volumizing mascara, but for me, it's just kind of lengthened them. I don't see much volume to my lashes. I'm really picky with mascaras. Like, if it's shit, it's shit, and I'll know. It's not shit, it's just okay. Oh, I didn't use the lip balm. I had the Ride or Die lip balm. This is really nice, by the way. The Ride or Die lip balm in Mighty Mint. We have a lip product and a bronzer and setting spray. So I'm gonna use the bronzer. So I got rid of my other one because the shade was like way too light. It was too cool toned and it was making me look a tiny bit ashy. So I have actually tried this before, so I know the formula's good. I know I like it. It's the Prima Infused bronzer, and this one is in the shade Perpetually Tan. Oh yeah, this shade is way better than the other one. It's nice and warm. This is what I needed. Setting spray time. I have both of them. Do I need both? Probably not, but I'm gonna keep it anyway. Okay, please be a good mist. I swear to God, if this spits, not gonna lie, do I even have any more e.l.f. ones? I got rid of all of my e.l.f. setting sprays because the mists were bad, except from the little black bottle. That one is good. Please be good mist. Please, please don't spit. That is happiness to me, okay? That is a good mist. It doesn't spit, okay? Yeah, I get excited about things like this. Oh yeah, this is the, yeah. Well done, e.l.f. Finally, they did a good mist. Okay, it's not like a dewy setting spray or anything, it's just the Stay All Night Microfine, oh, Microfine. Up to 16-hour wear, okay. I will not be wearing this for 16 hours, but it's the thought that counts. It's like so windy outside. I kind of want to order food. I like really don't want to make any. Great, we're lazy. I'm allowed to be lazy, okay? I've got the new Hydrating Core Lip Shine, and I got the shade Blissful. That's a nice name. Oh, this actually goes with the eye look, I guess. It's a nice little brownie nude. Yeah, I didn't get any of the extravagant colours. That I did not pronounce that word right, did I? Ooh, it's like got a little heart in the middle. I don't, is that like, oh, is that kind of like the oily kind of thing? Okay, that's cute. Okay. Let me do a lip liner underneath though. Yeah, no, that's fine. Sweet Tea from Morphe. This is like a good alternative to Cork, I think it's called, from MAC. Why does it look red on camera? Oh, this smell, oh. It smells like a fruit that I don't like. Okay. I love that combination. This is so nice and so comfortable. Obviously, you don't need to wear it with a lip liner. I just thought because the makeup looks a bit out there, I feel like it kind of needed a lip liner that is on very wonky, so I'm gonna stay back here so you can't see it. So, oh wait, I didn't use the other eyeshadow stick. What a stupid bitch. Wait, why? No, let's be nice to myself. It's okay that I forgot. All right, let me just use this quickly for the inner corner. See, it's so convenient that it's just a stick. That's it for the video, I guess. So, going over everything. I love everything actually, except from the mascara. Like I said, I like it, I'm not obsessed with it. I'm still gonna use it. I feel like it's more of like an everyday kind of mascara. It's not something that I'd wear with like an eye look that's really intense. I feel like because I've just kind of done winged eyeliner and like my eyeshadow wasn't really dark, I feel like the mascara is okay for this eye look, but I feel like if I had like a big smoky eye going on and I was using more dark colors, I feel like I'd need a different mascara. So it's okay, but if you want just volume like I prefer, don't get this. The CC cream, oh my god, I'm obsessed. I need to see how this wears throughout the day, but literally with the state of my skin right now, with it just being really bad, really dry, really gross, I look like a raisin basically. It's gone on really nicely, same as the primer. I put mine in the drawer, this is the closed one. I do, well obviously I'm not obsessed with it, I haven't tried it that much, but it just went on really nicely and I'm really happy with how it layered. It didn't ball up, none of that shit. Love the eyeshadow sticks. I love these, the great bronzer, I already know is good. So e.l.f. are just great. They're definitely my favorite drugstore brand. We love them. So that's it for the video. So if you've tried any of this stuff, let me know as always, and just whatever else you want to let me know. And I hope you like the eye look with the liner. I'm getting better at my eyeliner. My hands are going less shaky, which is good. And that's it. I'm gonna go wait for my food, which, let's see, what time should it be here? How's the driver at the restaurant already? That is concerning. I'm gonna go enjoy my food and watch Ugly Betty. I guess that's it. I don't have anything else to say. I will see you in my next video.